XRP, Bitcoin waves, and an article regarding a Goldman Sachs executive moving over to Coinbase. Continued activity in the traditional world of finance here, and interest shown in the crypto sphere. It would appear, making it rather difficult for me to personally be bearish on crypto. But if you like the video, drop a like on the video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you every day. Now we're looking at XRP and EngineeringRobo here. Quickly recapping, you were able to capitalize on 44% ROI utilizing EngineeringRobo throughout the end of July and into the beginning of September. You saw up to 90% in upside after two of our chosen three robo advisors became bullish. But if you weren't able to sell at that swing high with bearish confirmations from EngineeringRobo, you turned a $1,000 invested into XRP into over $1,440 utilizing bullish and bearish robo advisors. A combination of bearish robo advisors in play throughout the middle of November of 2021, saved you from a dramatic 41% in downside if you chose to close your position or take profit when two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish at that level. If you did not, then you lost just about half of your investment. As we can see more recently here, it would appear, we do have confirmations of bullish robo advisors. We do see the instance of the, the buy 4 coming into play and that early bird. However, we need two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish to invest, which did occur on the 7th of February, where EngineeringRobo members were able to put 50% of their investment into XRP. However, with this, ridiculous sideways and consolidation, a, break downward occurred, and bearish robo advisors have returned, where, EngineeringRobo members were able to reduce their position as we await the return of bullish confirmations here. So, investing in XRP moving forward, say you had $1,000 to invest into the project. We are awaiting for the return of bullish robo advisors again. Once we have two of our chosen three robo advisors back to bullish, we can put that 50% back into XRP. We already put 20% of our investment in at support here. You were able to, on the 24th of February, put 20% of your investment in at my support level, 63 cents. And we can put the remaining 30% of our investment into XRP once we have daily candles opening and closing above this descending trend line. We always go with the flow of the confirmations. It would appear here, in my opinion, we are far too close to very significant support. We've had some very major bounces off of this level here over the last several months. And so, further support found off this level, further solidification of support at this level would be very bullish here and would potentially, solidify a bottom for this correction and could suggest that, upside may await us. Once invested into XRP, watch out for resistance overhead. Feel free to take some profits at my resistance levels, 94 cents or $1.22. However, we always remain 50% invested until, bearish robo advisors return. So right now, we are just waiting for further bullish confirmations of accumulation. Let me know down below your thoughts on XRP at current levels. So it's time to embrace the crypto economy, as a Goldman Sachs representative and executive has switched over to Coinbase here. After 16 years of experience with Goldman Sachs, this member is moving over to Coinbase and is said to be running the global financial operations at Coinbase. The new former global co-head of operations for global market at Goldman Sachs said he would be working with members of Coinbase, including the CFO and COO, in order to help users embrace opportunities offered by digital assets and its ecosystem. So essentially, this article talks about the strong interest and passion for the upcoming crypto economy that these major players in the banking world here are foreseeing. We even have mention of Coinbase here raking in a staggering $2.2 billion from transaction fees alone in only quarter 4 of 2021. So Lots of money to be made here in crypto. Here, Coinbase, a rather staggering entity in the crypto space. Here we have members from, major entities in the traditional world of finance. Goldman Sachs is, much larger than Coinbase, I would imagine. And so here we have, increased interest and, passion for what is referred to as a new upcoming economy, crypto economy, if you will, coming from, members of Goldman Sachs. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Find this article in the description. Let me know if you're bullish or bearish at these levels here. Are you accumulating the heavily discounted Bitcoin like some of these major institutions, or are you panic selling paper hands? All right, waves against USD&T would appear here. We have, two of our chosen three robo advisors, super buy and buy 4, coming into play throughout the end of July of 2021. You experienced a 131% in gains after bullish robo advisors, and if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 51% ROI utilizing bearish robo advisors that came into play throughout the end of September, turning a $1,000 invested into the project into over $1,500 utilizing EngineeringRobo. Bearish robo advisors in play coming from relatively that same level. The 10th of November here from the $24.09 level, two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish, and prices experienced a dramatic 68% in downside. So you lost well over half of your investment investing into the project with bearish robo advisors in play. Currently, we are awaiting for the return of two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish to allow for comfortable accumulation. We see the super buy and we've seen the buy 4. However, we need a second robo advisor becoming bullish here to accumulate based on that confirmation. So moving forward, if you wish to invest in the project, we can put 50% of our investment into the coin once two of our chosen three robo advisors become bullish here. We have the buy 4 present in yesterday's daily candle. However, we need a second robo advisor, either the golden cross or the super buy, to return to use bullish confirmations from EngineeringRobo. We can put 20% of our investment in at the support level, $11.80, once daily candles open and close with wicks and bodies above it. And we can put the remaining 30% of our investment into the project when daily candles open and close above the descending trend line here. So we are just awaiting for a couple more daily candle closes. As long as they are fully above the descending trend line and this support level here, then we can become more comfortably bullish on continued gains. Watch out for resistance overhead. Feel free to take some profits at $16.30 or $24.91. However, we always remain 50% invested until EngineeringRobo becomes bearish. Let me know your thoughts on this project at current levels. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, currently, continuing its correction here, further solidification of support down below. Hopefully you were able to accumulate at my support level, $34,655 per Bitcoin, very close to the bottom of the February 24th daily candle there. So that would have been a very nice price to accumulate Bitcoin. That is where EngineeringRobo members were able to put 20% of their investment if they missed out on that opportunity throughout the end of January of this year. Right now, we are experiencing what could be a rather bullish double bottom reversal pattern here, potentially, signaling the end of this dramatic, 50+% correction for Bitcoin and the crypto market, and perhaps that'll allow us to see some gains here, and we can await perhaps interaction with some short-term resistance overhead. We are awaiting the return of bullish robo advisors. Once two of our chosen three robo advisors become bullish, we can throw 50% of our investment back into Bitcoin. We already put 20% at support, and we can put the remaining 30% once we have daily candles opening and closing above the descending trend line. The fear and FOMO zone here still suggesting that a potential top for Bitcoin could be near the $167,000 level. In my opinion, that is a price I do anticipate interaction with here before any sort of significant downside is to be considered. Currently, we are far too close to the fear zone here to be near a top at current levels, in my opinion. We are still coming from a true interaction with the fear zone back throughout March of 2020 there. I'm sure you could imagine buying entire Bitcoins between 5 and 7,000 US dollars would be a very nice price to be buying them, as we are currently trading within the $30,000 range, peaking near $70,000, high 60Ks, and right now I do believe this whole year of sideways that we have experienced here has been a very big phase of consolidation and accumulation, and very strong institutional activity has been occurring very recently. However, we've seen several instances of this 30K range being very strong support forming for Bitcoin throughout the beginning of the year, and this third retest of this level could be what we've been waiting for, that can allow us to finally experience a six-figure Bitcoin, which in my opinion, which it doesn't matter at all in trading, I anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin to present itself here whenever it is ready. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto at current levels. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below, and tune in for the next one.